Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices and entering pairing mode. Make sure the XM4 has battery and is within 1-2 meters of the Ps5. On the XM4, press and hold the power button about 7 seconds until the indicator flashes blue, putting it into Bluetooth pairing. Once done, move to the Ps5 and open Settings, then Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories so the console begins scanning. This is the step that lets the Ps5 discover the XM4. Do it now to continue. Now you pair and route audio. On the Ps5 Discovered Devices list, select WH1000XM4. You'll see a pairing confirmation prompt. Accept it. Once paired, the Ps5 should show connected for the headset. Next, go to Sound Settings and choose Output Device, then set output to headphones to all audio so game and chat sound route to the XM4. Make sure volume and microphone settings are set. This ensures you hear everything, and the mic works if supported by the Bluetooth profile. Finish with verification and a quick troubleshoot plan. You should test in-game audio and a party chat to confirm both game sound and mic work. Change levels and mic monitoring if needed. If the Ps5 doesn't support headset mic over Bluetooth, plug the XM4 into the DualSense with a 3.5 cable or use Sony's USB dongle. If problems persist, repair the headset, reboot the Ps5, and update XM4 firmware in the Sony Headphones app. That sequence resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.